Hey my lovelies, this is Mutulu here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a quick vegetable stew for the whole family, especially the children. So here I have some cherry plum tomatoes. We've got 3 red onions, and we're just going to blend all of this. It's very simple, very easy. I have a recipe similar to this in the cookbook, Cook with Mutulu, and it is under the title the rice and stew alternative, I think. And you can get the cookbook in print or ebook via mutulu.co.uk. So here you can see I'm blending it in increments because the blender is only 2 litres in height. I think, yes, height. So I'm just having to take my time and just go through the whole process. So what I did add was half of an habanero. You could use Scotch bonnet, you could use cayenne pepper, you could totally omit it. Now, it's not necessarily gonna bring a lot of heat to the dish, it's just gonna add some flavor. It's a little bit of spice. We've got some fresh sage leaves. You don't have to use that if you don't want to. You could just work with thyme, dill, it's up to you, coriander, it's up to you. So here we have some really nice organic courgettes, which I'm going to chop down finely in my food processor. So as you can see here, I've minced it down quite nicely. And now we're going to add that to the blended onions and cherry plum tomatoes. Now a dish like this can be paired with spaghetti, fusilli pasta, fonio mash. It could be paired with quinoa, rice and peas, chickpea mash, blogo mash, steamed blogos, some avocados. It's up to you, okay? So here we have some sea salt. My mind went blank there. We have some sea salt, 2 tablespoons of fine Celtic sea salt. We have 2 tablespoons of oregano, dried, and I'm giving you a tablespoon-ish of aniseed. That helps to bring out the flavor in the stew, so I would definitely encourage you to use the aniseed. I just drizzle some grapeseed oil on top. You can use hemp. I think those 2 are the best because they don't necessarily impart too much flavor in the dish, or you can totally omit the oil. It's up to you. So this is what it looks like after a while. With me, I like to season my food in layers, so I'm just actually sprinkling some more sea salt. Here I made some rice and peas alternative the other day, I think a day before. So I'm just going to pair that for the children with the stew. And I made some meatballs out of king oysters and oyster mushrooms, some fresh dill, and roasted those. And they're very meaty, if I don't say so myself. Very nice. So this here is just a simple dish for the children. If you'd like to learn more recipes like this, you can get it via Cook with Mutulu. It's available in ebook and print. And I trust that you enjoyed watching this video. Take care, my lovelies.